Okay, today we're going to talk about extension cords. This is a proper welding extension cord, and unless you're using DC power in your walls, you don't have to worry about voltage sag. We'll talk about alternating current versus direct current eventually, but my channel is not school. It is a multi-purpose channel. I'm not here to teach you things you should have learned in school. So this wire basically acts like a battery. The amount of amperage that needs to be in this wire is going to be in this wire constantly because it's AC. If it was DC, that would not be the case. The wire would need to be twice as thick. But if you use that same yellow stuff, you won't have any voltage sag. Look how thin my actual welder cord is. We're supplying it properly. If you need to go 100 feet underground with a welder, make sure you have fresh air supply.